can hurt you like you hurt me too. Me too. We're letting go, drifting apart. We're letting go, drifting apart. I can hurt you like you hurt me too. Me too.
How's it going, guys? I'm Adam John. Welcome to my channel. I'm a recent graduate of the Fitness and Health Promotion program at Algonquin College, and I want to give you 3 fitness and health promotion tips that'll help you become the best version of yourself for the summer. We may be in quarantine right now, but I want to help you get to your fitness goals. I want to make sure that you don't make the same mistakes that I made when I was growing up. So here we go. The first tip that I have for you guys is that you need to be putting enough pressure on your muscles. Stressing the muscles is the #1 way to grow them. If you're not putting enough stress on your muscles, they'll never grow. For a beginner, it won't take a lot of stress. So I recommend going to the gym about 3 to 5 times a week, and you'll get to your goal. You'll get there eventually. You want to be working in around 85% of your 1 rep max. If you're working in that range, you're going to be working in a zone that we like to call the hypertrophy zone. If you're working in the hypertrophy zone, hypertrophy literally means muscle growth. So you're going to be growing your muscles. You can also be working in the strength zone, which you'll be working with heavier weight, but you'll be working with less reps, if you know what I mean. You can also work in muscle endurance, where you're going to be working in very lightweight, but you're going to be working with a lot of reps. So you can pick what you want to work with, but I recommend starting with hypertrophy if your goal is to gain muscle mass. Hey guys, the second tip for you guys is that you need to be fueling your body right if you want to gain muscle. I recommend eating at least 0.8 grams of protein per pound of body weight, but you can eat up to 1.2 grams of protein. I have protein with every meal. You should really focus on spreading it out throughout the entire day, because then you're getting a variety of sources of protein, such as eggs, beef, and many different vegetables. Isolation exercises first. thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, just get some rest, boys.